A building surveyor is essential to assuring the functionality, compliancy, and safety of construction projects. Building surveyors are in greater demand in Dadri, Noida as a result of the area's rapid urbanization and development. To find any potential problems or concerns that might emerge during or after construction, these professionals are in charge of conducting rigorous inspections, assessments, and evaluations of buildings. Assuring that all construction projects adhere to regional building norms, regulations, and standards is one of a building surveyor's main duties in Dadri, Noida. To find any discrepancies or concerns with non-compliance, they examine architectural plans, structural drawings, and other technical papers. Building surveyors can ensure that construction is proceeding in compliance with the approved plans and specifications by conducting routine inspections and audits. Building surveyors are essential for both compliance inspections and evaluating the general health and functionality of existing structures. They carry out thorough inspections to find any flaws, structural weaknesses, or maintenance problems that might need to be addressed. Early detection of these issues by building surveyors can assist avoid future costly repairs or potential safety consequences. SCON Design is a renowned and well-respected design company in Dadri, Noida, that focuses on providing building surveys and design services. They offer clients in a variety of industries, including the residential, commercial, and industrial sectors, thorough and accurate assessments of structures thanks to their staff of knowledgeable and experienced building surveyors. SCON Design is aware of how crucial it is to keep construction projects at the highest levels of quality and safety. Additionally, SCON Design offers cutting-edge design options that are suited to the unique needs and specifications of its customers. A building surveyor is essential to making sure that construction projects are safe, compliant, and functional. Due to the area's rapid urbanization and development, there is an increasing need for building surveyors in Dadri, Noida. These experts are in charge of carrying out exhaustive building inspections, assessments, and evaluations to spot any potential problems or dangers that might appear during or after construction. Making sure that all construction projects adhere to local building norms, regulations, and standards is one of the main duties of a building surveyor in Dadri, Noida. They check structural plans, architectural blueprints, and other technical papers for any inconsistencies or concerns with compliance. Building surveyors can confirm that construction work is being done in compliance with the approved plans and specifications by conducting routine inspections and audits. Building surveyors are essential in evaluating the general health and functionality of existing buildings in addition to doing compliance inspections. To find any flaws, structural problems, or maintenance concerns that could need repair, they undertake thorough surveys. Building surveyors can assist